All right, let's get a closer look here. This is a pretty hefty tool. It's, I would say, in weight and size, it's pretty similar to a Hilti that I rented in the past. It's got a trigger on this hand, and it's got you know, some vibration movement, kind of give you a little bit of suspension on the tool. So it came with these two bits. These are called collarless. So got one kind of the pointy end one, and then this is the chisel one, which you can see here. So yeah, so pretty excited to check this out. But I'm about 6 foot tall, so this can kind of give you an idea of the size of the unit here. So pretty rad, man. Let's do some jackhammering.